Hey guys, Jack on Wrist here, back with another video, and in today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of the Grand Seiko SBGP001. This is a 9F quartz movement, a really interesting movement and a really interesting watch. I just bought it recently and I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep it, but I figured let's do an unboxing, let's take a look at it, and just see what we think about it. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. So here is the outer box, Grand Seiko on the top. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the inside contents. So on the inside, we have three things. We have this sort of paper right here, just covering up the inner box right here. And we do have the owner's manual or operating instructions, whatever you wanna call it. And here is the main event. Here is the watch. Here we go. And let's take a better look at it. So you take off this sort of dust protector type thing. There's another little piece of paper protecting the watch. And here we have it. This is the Grand Seiko SBGP001. This is like I said, a 9F quartz movement. Really a cool watch here. And it actually was authenticated by eBay. It says no returns if removed here. The reason why I haven't taken this stuff off is because I'm just not 100% sure about this watch for me. I'm trying to be better about my money. I'm trying to be smart. And I bought this and had a little bit of regret just on the money side of things, not because this isn't an awesome watch, but let's go ahead and just take a look at it. So it has the sort of silvery sunburst effect here, the blue second hand, and this is really an awesome looking watch. It has the hang tag here from the watch box. This is where I bought the watch off eBay though. Has the Zaratsu finishing around the case here. Again, I'm sorry I haven't taken this stuff off. I'm just not 100% sure with this watch, but really beautiful, really awesome. Just finishing just in general. This was pre-owned technically, but bought unworn with warranty. So 2.5 years about on the warranty left, obviously with box and papers and everything like that. And it's a really cool watch. I mean, like, holding it in my hand, my initial impression is that the dial and everything about what you would know about Grand Seiko being great finishing and just a beautiful package is there for sure. I will say that the bracelet feels a little flimsy. I mean, you can kind of hear that. It feels almost like just a regular Seiko bracelet, if I'm being honest. I mean, it does have the screw links and everything like that, but it feels lighter. It just doesn't feel like a proper luxury watch bracelet. I mean, I've had modern Rolex, I've had modern Omega, and both of those bracelets have felt significantly sturdier and significantly, I guess you could just say better than this. I'm just having a little bit of doubts about that. And you have a nice clasp here, milled and everything like that. That aspect is fine. But yeah, I guess my initial impressions of this watch so far is that it's just a beautiful looking watch. All of the sort of Grand Seiko aspects are there. It is nice looking. It's has all the amazing finishing and looks in the light, but just the bracelet, I mean, for a sport watch, I mean, this just feels like something not as high quality. I mean, it definitely has all of the aspects you would want in a steel bracelet. You have the solid end links, that's hard to tell with the eBay thing. You have the screw links, solid links and everything like that, but really, I'm kind of surprised with the way it feels. And I don't mean to really go too crazy with this, but because it's just an unboxing, but I'm just giving you my initial impressions of how this feels in the hand, how it looks. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep it, but yeah, I mean, a really beautiful watch, really nice looking, but the bracelet to me doesn't feel like a luxury watch. But yeah, I mean, overall, it still is an awesome watch. The movement is really cool. The second hand hits all the markers. I mean, everything you would come to expect is there. And I guess, really, like I keep mentioning, the bracelet's just the one flaw in my opinion. So that's pretty much it for this video. Just taking a look at this watch, unboxing. That's kind of just the whole experience in terms of the inner box and, what you're going to get. I mean, I'm sure there's nothing crazy interesting in here in the instruction manual, but I think overall it holds up with a lot of the other watches I've had in terms of the unboxing experience. Like I said, I've owned modern Rolex, I've owned modern Omega. Obviously the Omega box is just absurd. It's like a lacquer finished box, but this is pretty much as much packaging and things you would want with a piece. Nothing too crazy. This box right here that was in is not too big to where you're questioning, where you're gonna put it. So definitely, I think in so many ways it is on par. But the bracelet and just kind of the overall feel and quality of it definitely is a little suspect to me. So, but like I said, that's pretty much it for this video. Just a little overview, just a little initial impressions. And obviously I will try to do an in-depth review if I go ahead and keep this. But yeah, so thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.